What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. This one is Tronsmart T7 portable Bluetooth speaker, and actually I bought this one for my girlfriend. Thea has watched some reviews where they have praised this one and she wanted to has one, so that's why I bought this one. Well, yeah, we are gonna talk about this Tronsmart T7. Definitely we are gonna talk about the performance and I'm gonna share my honest opinion whether we like it or not. Yeah, okay. But before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, the first thing first, this Tronsmart T7 portable outdoor speaker costs around $60 and weighs almost 900 grams. And yeah, this one is a bit heavy to be a portable speaker to carry around. On paper, the specifications look so attractive, that's why we have bought this one. 360 degrees surround sound, Bluetooth 5.3, range up to 18 meters, 2000 mAh battery, up to 12 hours soft play time, USB-C charging cable, and IP rating of IPX7. And the brand Tronsmart, they claims that this can be paired in stereo mode. Like if we have two of the same thing, we can pair it in stereo mode. This one comes with a LED ring light on top. And on top there is a dial to control volume. Oh yeah, LED lights actually has 4 different modes like RGB, circling, breathing, bit driven, and this one also comes with a slot for TF card. Moreover, Tronsmart T7 supports the application that Tronsmart developed, that is Tronsmart application. Now, after this specification things, let's talk about the actual performance. Okay, it's actually a bit heavy, holding in hand, it doesn't feel so comfortable. Also, the mesh they have used isn't a good quality one, and even after using for only 7 days, some places are already torn apart. In terms of build quality, I would give this one 5 out of 10 because the edges are very rough. It feels like sharp blade and the buttons are so tight that we have to press hard. It's very difficult to find the buttons. Like these are aesthetic, there is no texture on it. So, well, the first impression of mine about this product was like, I have wasted my $60 for my girlfriend. Okay, from outlook and appearance, let's talk about the original thing. Most of the people wouldn't spend $60 because a product has better outlook or appearance or a Bluetooth speaker comes with a ring light. People care about sound quality. Yeah, personally, the first thing I care about a Bluetooth speaker is its sound quality, then latency, and then, yeah, convenience. Okay, we have been using this for 7 days, I have already mentioned that, and most of the time, Thea was like, have we made a mistake? Because this one doesn't have a very good sound signature. The bass feels like someone is beating my door, randomly beating my door. The bass is pretty awful. Mids are okay. I mean the vocal, yeah, that's okay. Not very good, but acceptable. At the $60 price point, the mids are okay. But bass is so very poor. And when it comes to treble, I mean the highs, let me think, how can I express this? If bass is terrible, then treble is awful. Yeah, maybe. Lumpier. I'm looking for a nice word. I'm searching in my vocabulary how to express. Yeah, the treble is truly awful. And if you go to full volume, then it will get distorted. It doesn't go very high. The volume doesn't go very high. It cannot produce a very loud music. But when you go to the highest volume level, the sound gets distorted. She's a itty-bitty spider with a itty-bitty lighter and a straight jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pull out, you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. I have tried a lot of things because this one comes with an application. Inside the application, we can select equalizer. There are 5 preset equalizer like default, sound pulse, deep bass. Wait. Yeah, bass, deep bass. The deep bass feels like someone is hammering your door, nothing else. I don't want to talk about that. There is also a preset which is classical. In classical, this one is almost okay, almost acceptable. But if the price was like $30 or $40, then I would say in classical preset, it works fine. But at $60, it doesn't actually offer any value. Oh yeah, there are two other options like rock and custom. In custom, we can customize our preset, and I have tried heard. I have played with the bass, mid-range and treble. So if we put it in a pyramid curve, then well, the sound quality gets a bit better. But that better is too far inferior than its competitors. Actually, this product is on the market for almost a year now, and I thought that okay, me and Thea, we both have checked online, and many people have praised, but I don't know based on what they have praised. And finally, the thing is, when I have contacted the customer support and said that okay, I'm not happy, they were very rude. I don't know. So I was like, okay, maybe my unit is faulty, so that's why I have bought another. We have bought two so that we can check the stereo pairing mode. Altogether, this is a failure. Thea is like, don't show me your sorry face. Thea is standing there and she's like, I'm sorry, I have made you spend $120 for nothing. Yeah, that's why I have decided to, okay, I need to talk about this. I need to let people know that don't spend your money on a wrong product. That's it. Yeah, on paper this one supports Bluetooth 5.3, so I thought that the range would be very nice and the latency would be a bit less than many other, but this one has a like noticeable latency. You will feel it. If you want to watch movie or if you want to play games using this one, then okay, you will feel like let's forget about this. Because we have failed to watch movie. The leap wasn't in sync with the sound, so it was like a bit annoying. And playing games, let's don't talk about that. Now, battery life. Yeah, this one comes with a 2000 mAh battery and the brand claims that this one will go on for 12 hours on a single full charge, but we couldn't manage to get anything more than 9 hours. Yeah, 9 hours was like placing the smartphone and the speaker side by side. If there is a range of like 6 meters or something like that, the battery gets drained faster. And what we have managed to get is like we have got almost 10 meters. At 10 meters, yeah, there was like more latency and a bit distortion. Yeah, we have noticed that if it goes beyond 9 or 10 meters, the connection, the stability goes down. Okay, finally, before we wrap up, there are a few other things. Like this one doesn't come with a 3.5mm port. If you want to like forget that Bluetooth connection and if you want to directly connect it to your smartphone or some music device, then you can be able to do that because this one doesn't come with a 3.5mm port. And this one only supports SBC. No AAC, no LDAC, nothing, only SBC. So this one heavily depends on its own sound signature and which this one doesn't have. The sound algorithm, what that Tronsmart have used in their application, and inside this, it doesn't actually offer anything good. Talking about the application, you know what? This is another funny thing. You always have to repair this one with the application. For example, let me open this Tronsmart application. Then we have to select Tronsmart T7. Look at this. This one will start searching. And the application is very basic. On the first tab, you will only be able to check the battery status. The second tab, yeah, this one comes with equalizer, 5 preset equalizers with one option to customize, and the final tab here we can select play mode like single unit Bluetooth or dual unit stereo pairing mode. We can also select TF card. We can power it off from the application. It will get disconnected. The other thing is that the speaker grill, you can see this, they have placed this so close, so if you are putting it on a flat surface, then you have to make sure that there is a bit of a gap or the sound actually becomes worse. She's a snake crawling, creeping on the floor. If you give her time of day, baby, that's your first mistake. She will swallow you. I don't know how they have implemented the 30-watt speaker inside this. I haven't done any tear down, so I cannot talk about that. But the overall performance is so poor. The only thing I like about this is this one comes with IPX7. I think this brand, Tronsmart, they could have used that money, what they have spent for that IPX7 rating, to improvise the algorithm, the sound signature. Then it would have been a better thing. Also, they could have used some better materials to manufacture this. Okay, that's all about this Tronsmart T7. Now I have to look for another portable speaker for Thea. Yeah, I will buy you one. Don't worry. Yeah, that's it. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.